Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change your delivery address inside your Uber Eats app. This works for both iOS and Android device users. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's begin. Alright guys, first make sure Uber Eats is updated to the latest version. Once that is done, go ahead and open up the app. And now from here, you want to click on where it says Deliver Now. So go ahead and do that. And then click on search for an address. So I'm going to type in a new address here. So this is just a random address. So I'm going to click on 500 Great Street, Adelaide. And then you can choose building type, help deliver people find you. So this is, I'm just going to click other. But for this case, it's a hotel. So I'm going to click on hotel. And now from here, you can put in the room floor that's required, the hotel name, the building type, which you've already done. And then you can do drop-off options, so instructions for a delivery person. So if you live in a hotel or apartment, you can type in, example, please knock instead of using the front doorbell, or please text while you're here, etc. And then once you've done that, click on save and continue. So I was going to put in random information here. Alright, that's done. I'm going to go save and continue. And now this address is going to be saved to Uber Eats. And then that's my current address now. So when I make an order on Uber Eats, it will go to 500 Great Street. Yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. How to change your address inside Uber Eats. Thanks for watching this tutorial to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this tutorial helpful.